Do Ketintan. Hari ini kan pesta Edo yang di awak ya. Bapak yang berharap Edo hendaknya dalam keluarga itu kejadian adik Edo namanya tungkih kemani jalan karif pemaraga diri. Pokoknya keberadaan Edo itu menjadi warna di keluarga Pak bersama. Nah, enak ya. Doa Bapak minta itu ya.
Trying to find where my place is. I'm looking for my own oasis. So close I can taste this. The fear that love alone erases. So I'm back to the basics. I figure it's time I face this. Time to take my own advice. Love alone is worth the fight. Love alone is worth the fight. And I never thought I'd come to this, but it seems like I'm finally feeling numb to this. The funny thing about a name is you forget what the reason you were playing the game is. And it's all an illusion, a 21st century institution. And so I'm headed down the open road unknown. And we find what we're made of through the open door. I'm looking for the rhyme and reason. Are you born, why you leaving? What you fearing, what you believing? Why you living and breathing? Why you fighting it and getting it even? Let's go headed down the open road unknown. And we find what we're made of through the open door. Is it fear you're afraid of?
Happy wedding Bang Redo dan Kak Dila. Semoga kita cepat diberi keponakan yang ganteng dan cantik-cantik, dan semoga keluarga kita tambah besar. Sukses. Dadah.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari Semansa. Halo semua. Oke. Selamat menempuh hidup baru untuk Redo Ramdana alias Didin dan istri Dila. Mudah-mudahan menjadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawaddah dan warahmah. Amin. Doakan kampanye untuk 2008 jalan terus.